Hi, I am starting Python full stack training for my next batch, which is 68th batch from 7th November 2024 onwards. In this video, I will be providing the complete details about my training program. My name is Chaitanya. I am a postgraduate from IIT Roorkee, having 20 plus years of experience in IT industry and also having 10 plus years of experience in Python full stack and data science. Before going to details, a small information to everyone. Most of the viewers of my YouTube channel are non-subscribers. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel python.trainer.helper. Also please click on the bell icon to notify yourself about my upcoming videos. Thank you very much. Let's go to the details. About this training, this is purely an online job-oriented training program. Since I am also a working IT professional and should go to my office on daily basis, offline trainings are not possible for me. Hope everyone can understand that. This is a 5 months duration training program, and the training starts from 7th November 2024 onwards. We are having the classes on daily basis except Sundays and any festival days. And the class timings are from 7:30 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time IST. That means it's a 1 hour class daily. In this training program, we will be covering the topics starting from Python, database, Django, Django REST framework, followed by the front-end technologies called HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, React.js. Please note that all these topics we will be covering from very basic level to the deep level, and hence the course is planned for the 5 months duration. The entire course content is mentioned in a PDF, which is available in the link given in the description below. Please refer the PDF for complete details about the course content. Coming to our exclusive training methods, we will be conducting the live classes on daily basis, and each and every live class will be recorded. And we are going to share the live class recordings to entire batch immediate after the class. We are also conducting the weekly test, and in such a weekly test, you will be asked to write a program for a real-time requirement. Who are all eligible for this training program are all the students of BE, BTech, MTech, BSc Computer Science, and BCA, MCA, etc. Also, all non-IT working professionals who wants to shift their career to software field, and also all working IT professionals who wants to upgrade their skills to Python full stack. I have shared a couple of my live class videos of my previous batch in the description of this video. Please watch them to get the good idea about my live classes. If you are interested to join this training program after watching these live classes, please share your Gmail ID so that we will enroll you for this course. Once you enroll for this course, you will receive an invitation email along with the Google Meet link to join the online classes daily. The course fee is 18,000 in Indian rupees, and which is fixed and almost non-negotiable. Last but not the least, this is not a job guaranteed training program, and but we are going to provide the 100% job assistance. The one more important information is we have very limited seats available, so please hurry up.